Hey, this is Ben Glass. I'm the founder of Great Legal Marketing, and for over 20 years, I've been helping solo and small firm lawyers to build the perfect practice for them. This is in addition to running Ben Glass Law, where I'm still a full-time practicing attorney. So when you go to Great Legal Marketing, you will see in the upper right here a membership logon. Again, you can't get into this unless you're actually a member. I'm going to show you the breadth of the site. Not everything I show you will be available to you. Depends on your level of membership. Part of what will happen when you join Great Legal Marketing is that you will get a walkthrough of this membership site through our client services director, and she'll help you find resources because over 20 years, we have developed a ton of resources. This is a library of practice and growth building materials for solo and small firms, unlike any other organization, unlike any other library. Most of our members join at the tribe level. This monthly membership group includes our newsletter, a monthly group meeting, a specific on-topic video for the month, and access to Ben and Brian. I'm recording this in March of 2025. For example, this month's topic was the prospect pipeline. You can see as we scroll down here, a couple other topics that we've done recently. These stay up here forever. When you join, you have access to all of the back topics so you can go and explore. And what we're doing with each of these monthly modules is getting you ready for the group meeting where we answer your questions and importantly, other group members answer your questions, give examples, and support you on your journey. You know, the people who join Great Legal Marketing are the ones who have decided that being a lawyer and running your own firm is just a job. Being a lawyer and having a business that provides legal services is your way to wealth and happiness in this profession. What we do is help you become a hero to your family and an icon in your community. So we have a ton of resources here, just about everything you could think of. And I'll just scroll down. You can see some of what we have. And part of what you get when you join is the ability to have your team access. So if you've got team members who are doing, for example, intake for you, or who are doing specifically marketing for you, you don't have time to do this. I mean, there's literally thousands of hours of material here, right? But you can invite your team members in to watch, see, and do courses that they have responsibility for in your law firm. We are a lot about philosophy, about the philosophy of being a leader, a hero to your family, as I said, about running a real business. And so we have a ton of material on that. Just for example, again, our numbers material, recordings, workbooks, playbooks, and a way for you to ask questions about any of these topics with Brian or I, or oftentimes many of the outside experts that we bring to Great Legal Marketing. The schedule is always here, and if you miss a call, you'll be able to get the recording of the call. We have a really cool membership directory, and we have a robust community, the tribe of people who not only refer cases from time to time back and forth, but more importantly, share great ideas about building this, the perfect law firm. What Great Legal Marketing at the end of the day is all about is helping you build happiness the way you see happiness. Now, from time to time, we make special offers and deals that have bonuses. I'll show you some of the bonuses. If you see anything here that you would like to get a hold of and somehow you got into our world without being able to have access to it, just let us know and we will do everything we can to help you be able to access all of these materials, including recordings from our prior summits. These summits always get 5 stars from the attendees because we're offering very practical advice. We're not just putting up paid vendors who pay a lot of money to speak and really to pitch their products. That's not what a Great Legal Marketing Summit is all about. One of the biggest changes in law and in solo and small firm practice has been the advent of AI. We've had some great speakers on this. And again, we've developed some master classes on using AI throughout the different parts of building a practice. Here's our intake success system, which is a bonus for getting our book. And we have tons of archived resources. Here I'll just show you as we walk through some of what we have for you and your team. Again, covering just about every idea, concept, piece of education that you could possibly ask for and want in running a law firm. Okay, let me give you a peek behind the screen we have 2 in-person mastermind groups, the Hero Mastermind group and the Icon group. The Hero group is folks who are basically trying to get to and through 7 figures, and the Icon Mastermind group are those who've crested through that and are heading to about the $5 million mark. So we always have the complete schedule up there. We record all the events. When you have a hot seat, you actually get your hot seat notes. You get the commitments that you made at a meeting. So we'll all know when you come back for the next meeting what you agreed to do. We too get on the phone separate and apart from the tribe every month that we're not having an in-person meeting. And we have special events for in-person mastermind members, special events, and special guests at our summit and at other events that we do. Again, all the calls are recorded, the presentations are recorded. We bring in great outside speakers, some of the leaders in the industry that you will have access to, usually not just during a session, but usually at the dinner that we have at the end of each day. There is a Hero Mastermind chat, and then we have all sorts of premium resources just for our in-person mastermind groups. And again, we do much the same thing, different recordings in the Icon group. Again, the Icon is our highest level group. What we are really good at is if you can articulate what perfect life would be for you, and you could share with us where you are in your journey, we are really good, Brian and I and our team, at helping lawyers figure out what's the best use of my next hour or my next dollar in further developing my practice. If you're interested in joining us, go to the GLM Tribe, theglmtribe.com for more information. And if you would like to be a part of one of our in-person mastermind groups, please reach out to us. We can get you the application. We're very selective about who we let in. Only want to have members of our tribe who are forward-thinking, innovative givers, who are trying to make a difference in the world, starting with their family, their teams, their clients, and their communities. Okay, let's talk later. If you like to reach out, you can reach out to me at ben@benglasslaw.com. Happy to answer questions and get you started.